Hello and welcome to the eToll-free Cloud Phone System video tutorial series on creating a conference center group. Now that we have an understanding of what a conference center is, let's proceed with the steps to create a conference center group. To begin, from your eToll-free account, go to PBX Dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Applications tab, then select Conference Center, which will take you to a new page. Now, click the Add button at the top right corner of this new page. This will take you to the Conference Center Group page. Next step is filling out the information in the form. Let's name our group. After naming your group, the next step is to assign it an extension number. This number should be unique and has not been used in any of your cloud phone system setup. Next is the Greetings section. From the drop-down, select the audio that will play before joining the conference room. If you prefer a quieter entry, leave this field blank. Add a numerical PIN for security before a user joins the group. The use of a PIN is optional. If you prefer a more open conference call, or if a PIN is not necessary, you can leave this field blank. You have the option to enable or disable your conference center group using the toggle button. Lastly, add any additional description that you think would fit for this conference group. Then, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully created a conference centers group in eToll-free's cloud phone system. Stay tuned for more tutorials in unlocking your cloud phone system. Thanks for watching. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll-free.